Hello, I'm here from another one of my homework problems. Cosine of 2 theta is equal to cosine of theta. We need to find what degree or degrees this work for. So first thing I'm going to do is, this looks a little complicated, so I'm going to use the double angle formula. I'm going to turn cosine of 2 theta into 2 cosine squared minus 1 equals cosine theta. And I'm just going to get rid of the theta just for simple purposes. We're going to just replace the cosine with x so that we can solve it, and we're also going to move this cosine over to this side. So it'll be 2x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can factor this into 2x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now right now I just don't want to get into that. I'm a bit short on time, and sorry for not posting last night. I was really busy. So anyways, we could factor into this, which means that either 2x plus 1 equals 0, or that x minus 1 equals 0. That would mean that x equals 1. Now it's a good time to replace it back with cosine. Or we could say that 2x is minus 1, which would mean that x is minus a half. And now it's also a good time to replace it with cosine. Now, what you do now is you'd say cosine to the minus 1 of minus 1/2, and it would give you the angle 120 degrees. Now, if you look at your unit circle, you'll know that this 120 degrees, and there's 60 here, also means that it works if there's 60 here and 120 degrees right here, which would mean that you have 60, and you also have 240 degrees, because this angle right here is the same cosine value as this line right here. Okay? And so if you put these into radians, you'll get 2 pi over 3, and for this one, and then you'll get 4 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3 for this one. And now, if we say that cosine is equal to 1, you'll get 0 degrees when you plug the inverse into a calculator. And 0 degrees is, of course, 0 radians. And 0. So our three solutions are going to be 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and 0. Now, it's important to note that I don't need to add 2 pi because it'll be out of the range. Thank you for watching, and bye.